Hey, fifth graders. All right, so this is actually the lesson that I wanted to get to just so I could use my handy dandy little graph paper thing, so I'm not drawing the graph out. So this is lesson 9.7, so it's the last lesson in chapter 9. And I apologize that it looks like I'm like looking down on you. I guess that's what you guys are used to since I'm standing at the board. Yeah, anyway, so kind of combines the all of the other lessons in the book together, or at least some of the lessons. So we're gonna have to figure out the relationship between the numbers and what numbers go in our graph or in our chart, and then we're gonna use that and convert those into um, ordered pairs, coordinate pairs, and we'll graph it and make a like a line graph. So first of all, let's start with. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't think it even has those numbers there. Okay, so it should look like this. This is the example, which is on page 571. So it's basically somebody is making hot chocolate, and they've got cocoa mix and they've got water. And first things first is they want to figure out, like, okay, for each amount of cocoa mix, how much water do I need? So we've got our initial thing. If you have three, tablespoons of cocoa mix, then you need 6 fluid ounces. So this is fluid ounces, and this is tablespoons. 6 fluid ounces of water. All right, so from that, we really only have that piece of information to go by, but from that, we could say, like, okay, well, the next, if we just are going by threes, the next one up is going to be 6, right? And for every 3, we have 6, which means that this is doubled. So it's going to be cocoa mix times 2 is our rule for finding fluid ounces of water. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, then we can go up another 3. So now we're up to 9 tablespoons. And that means that we're going to need 9 times 2, which is 18. Okay, and then again, next 3 up is going to be 12. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Yep, 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, and last but not least, we get to, so here we've got our little 3 dots. That means that we're skipping some spaces. The pattern continues on, but we're going to jump ahead. We're really not jumping ahead very much because there would have been just 15 and then we go to 18, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but whatever, it's the book. So we have 18 tablespoons of cocoa mix, so we need to do 18 times 2, and that's going to give us 36 fluid ounces of water. So here, now we have to graph it, all right? So this is going to be our cocoa mix in tablespoons. And then going up the side here, we're going to have water, which I'm trying to write sideways, and that is in fluid ounces, which is terrible, but whatever, you get the idea. Okay, so then we're going to make our ordered pairs. Okay, so this is our x-axis. Is up here, and this is our y-axis here. So our x-coordinate is 3, so here's 3, and our y-coordinate is 6, so we're going to go from 3 up to 6, and we'll just put a dot. All right, so this would be 3, 6, which might be a little hard to see. Maybe on your big screen you'll be able to see it. So the next one is going to be 6, and we're going to go up to 12, so 6 up to 12. Then we've got 9, we go up to 18, which is right there. Then we have, oh, that's dumb. We have 12, and we go up to 24. And then I actually kind of screwed up when drawing this. There should be 18 should be right there, as we skipped a little bit. So then if we carried it on all the way up to 18, so we go 18 all the way up to 36, which is right there. And hopefully that glare is not too in the way. And then all we have to do is connect the dots. So in this case, you don't really have to, but because you could just start at 3 tablespoons of cocoa mix and go up. But really, if you had 0 tablespoons of cocoa mix, then obviously you would use 0 water, right? So that's going to be our first dot, and then we're just connecting the dots like that, which is a nice, pretty straight line for us. And, you know, it would honestly just carry on from there. This is 18, So that's the lesson. It's really pretty easy. Basically, you just figure out what's the rule, and then apply the rule to figure out what goes in the chart, and then make your ordered pairs and graph it. So it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully this helps. As always, good catch. As always, if you have any questions or anything like that, please absolutely email me, send me a message through Seesaw, send me a message through YouTube, any of that stuff, and I will do everything in my power to help you. Hope you guys are having a good day and staying safe and all that, and I will talk to you later. Good luck on the test. Just do the test at the end of the book, and I'll make sure that you guys have the answer key at home. So anyway, have a good day. Bye.